Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Home Credit Qwarta for shopping. So first, open your Home Credit app and log in. If you don't have Qwarta yet, tap Apply Now to get started. It's quick and easy. Once approved, head to the dashboard, see your Qwarta virtual card. Let's jazz it up. Tap the card, then look for Customize or Change Theme. Pick your favorite color or design, and your card now matches your vibe. Now, let's shop. You can use Qwarta online or in-store. For online purchases, select Qwarta at checkout, enter your virtual card details, and confirm with the OTP sent to your phone. Then done. Shopping in person, just add your Qwarta card to your mobile wallet like Gcash or PayMaya. Tap your phone at checkout, no physical card needed. Before you splurge, remember 1. Check your Qwarta credit limit in the app. Number 2. Repay on time to avoid fees. Set reminders. Number 3. Use promos. Home Credit often has cashback deals or discounts, and stay updated. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.